Thank you. Bulavanaka, and good afternoon to you all. The Fiji Rugby Union is thrilled to announce that tickets for the Fiji Water Flying Fijians versus Scotland Test match are now on sale. This highly anticipated clash will take place on Saturday, July the 12th, 2025 at the HFC Stadium in Suva, right behind us here. And we are calling on all rugby fans and the rugby family of Fiji to secure their seats early for what promises to be an electrifying encounter. To ensure a seamless and convenient ticketing experience, we have partnered with TicketMate as our official online ticketing platform. With just a few clicks, you can purchase and manage your tickets easily. Whether you choose to print your ticket or store it on your hard drive or mobile device, or quick scanning on match day. This is more than just a game. It's a celebration of rugby, a showcase of world-class talent and an opportunity for Fiji to come together in support of our beloved Flying Fijians as they take on the mighty Scotland right here on home soil. The atmosphere at HFC Bank Stadium will be electric, that we all know. And we want every fan to be a part of this unforgettable experience as our home team takes on this touring Tier 1 rugby team. So don't wait. Tickets will be selling fast. Visit ticketmate.com.fj today to secure your spot. And on behalf of the Fiji Rugby Union, I thank you all for your continued support. And we look forward to seeing you all come out in full force and in numbers to cheer on the Fiji Water Flying Fijians on July the 12th for the test match that kicks off at 2 p.m. Now,